In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the product form button instantly by editing your theme code in Shopify. We'll be working directly inside your theme files, so the goal here is to make one precise change without altering anything else. If you follow along carefully, this is a quick and effective way to temporarily hide the button by commenting out the form block in the product template. Start by opening Google Chrome and going into your Shopify admin. From there, head to Online Store, then Themes, and choose Edit Code. This opens the theme code editor, where you'll see a list of folders and files along the left-hand side. Take your time here, because the layout can look a little dense if you're not used to working in theme files. Next, search through the folder list for the main product.liquid file. This file usually controls the structure and functionality of the main product section on your product page, so it's the right place to make this change. Once you open it, you'll want to look through the code for the product form structure. Now locate the section that begins with the line product form class equals product form. This marks the start of the form element block tied to the product actions, including the button you want to hide. Make sure you identify the entire form block correctly, not just the opening line. The idea is to hide the whole form element so it stops rendering on the live product page. To do that, place a Shopify comment tag right before the opening product form line, using comment to begin the hidden section. Then go to the end of that same form block and place the closing comment tag there. Wrapping the entire form element this way tells Shopify not to output that section at all, which hides the button instantly without deleting the code. That's an important advantage, because it lets you reverse the change later very easily if needed. Once the full block is wrapped correctly, click Save. After saving, refresh the product page on your storefront and the button should no longer appear. As a quick tip, be careful not to include extra surrounding code